Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Preeti Rajani, working here as functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the setups and the configuration that are required in fixed asset Oracle Fusion. So let's start. So these are the following setups and the configuration that are required in fixed asset Oracle Fusion. We have to create category flex field, location flex field, and asset key flex field. And then we have to configure system control. So what is flex fields? By using the flex fields, we can create the structure and can maintain the information related to asset. Flex fields that need to be created in fixed asset. These are the following flex field that we need to create. That is category, location, and asset key flex field. So now we will discuss what are these flex fields and why these are used. So these are the important points that we have to keep in mind while creating the flex field. In one instance, only one category flex field, one location flex field, and one asset key flex field can be created. System will allow you to create more than one structure, but there's no use of it because you can only use the structure that has been selected in system control. So what is category flex field? By using the category flex field, we can create the category key flex field structure. Within that, we can maintain the asset related classification. Below, I have mentioned some examples for it. We have the major category building, and the minor categories that fall under this major category are like office building, shopping complex. The major category is vehicles, under which car, bikes, trucks fall in it. Then we have furniture, under which it have following minor categories like chairs, tables. So on the basis of category, we can maintain the asset related information. The next flex field is location flex field. In location flex field, we have to maintain the information related to asset's location. To track the location of asset, we use location key flex field. You can track the location of asset on following basis, say country, state, county, city. If you want to track the asset, you can do it on the basis of location also. Next is asset key flex field. If we want to track the asset with certain additional criteria, then we can use the asset key flex field. If we have purchased the asset from some other country and we need to tag them as imported goods, then we can use the asset key flex field. For category flex field, we have a different, or we can say we have a specific flex field. So on the basis of category, we can maintain the asset information in the category flex field. And when it comes to location of asset, we have a separate, or we can say specific flex field, that is location flex field. But if we want to maintain the information of asset on the basis of specific certain criteria, then we can use asset key flex field. Now we'll see what is system control. System control provides the information about the structure of your company. System control is a one-time setup. Only at the time of creating system control setup in fresh instance, you can select the flex field information. You cannot change the flex field information in existing instance. You have to select the flex field that have been entered in system control. These are the following informations that are in system control. That is your enterprise name, the oldest date placed in service, your flexi structures. Only these flexi structures can be selected at the time of fixed asset creation. It will also contain your asset numbering scheme. Now we will move to our application to see how these setups are practically done in the application. Here we will see how to do the setups and configuration related to fixed asset in Oracle Fusion. So click on this and go to setup and maintenance. Go to task list. Click on manage implementation projects. Here you have to select the project on which you are working. Click on your project. Here search the task manage system control. Here we will see the already selected flex fields. Click on this task. Click on go to task option. So this is the system control information you can see here. Enterprise name. This is the only information you can change in system control. The rest of the details can't be changed. This is the one-time setup. You can only enter the details at the time of creating fresh instance. Once it is created, after that, no changes can be made in this system control. Only name can be changed. Here, if you want to change this, you can change. The rest of the fields are deactivated. These are the flex fields that you can use for asset, category, location, and asset key. These are the same flex fields that we can use for the creation of asset. This is the starting asset number. This is the last asset number used. So this is the system control. Now we will click on save and close. If you want to add any category or location or asset key, then we can make changes to the flex fields that have been selected in system control. Now I will show you how to see those flex fields. Search the task, manage fixed asset key flex fields. Click on this task. Click on go to task. Click on blind search. So these are the flex fields you can see here. We can select from here. Say I am selecting category flex field. Click on this. Now click on manage structure. Again, click on blind search here. So this is the asset category flex field and the structure code is asset category flex field. Now click on add it. You can see the segments in the category flex field. We have major category and minor category. Then click on add it. This is how we can create major category or any of the category that are required by you for creating your asset. So now click on save and close. This is a minor category. Again, click on save and close. Click on done. In the same way, we will see the location flex field information. Click on this data. Click on manage structure. Click on blind search here. And again, click on add it. You can see in the location flex field, these are the basis for the information to be maintained in fixed asset, country, state, city, and building. Again, click on save and close. If you want to edit any of the internal details, you have to click on edit. You can see here the segment code is asset location flex field, segment code, country. Again, click on save and close. In the same manner, you can see the information of asset key flex field. Click on manage structure. Click on blind search. Then click on edit. This is the segment code that is asset key. Click on edit. This is how you can see how it is created. Click on save and close. Now, how we can add category to this category flex field? I will show you that. For that, we need value set code. So click on manage structure instance. Click on blind search. Click on edit. You can see here, these are the segment code and this is the value set code. So we will copy this. Now we will search the task manage fixed asset flex field value sets. You can see here, this task is available. Click on go to task option. Here we have to give the value set code. Copy it from here and paste it. Now click on manage values. From here we can add the category that we need to create. Click on search. Here you can see these are the already created categories, major categories. Now we will add, click on add icon. Give the description here. This is a major category. Click on save and close now. So we are adding one more category. Now click on save and close. So this is how we created two major categories. Now we have to give the minor categories also. Click on search now. Again, click on manage values for minor category. Click on blind search. Here we can create the minor categories for major category. Click on add icon. Now you can see here that it is asking for independent value. Minor category will always fall under some major category. Therefore, this is the independent value. Now we have to select the category on which it is dependent. So I am selecting here CB buildings, under which the CB office building will fall. Again, click on create icon. This is how we can create minor category. and can select here the independent value. Now click on save and close. Again click on save and close. So this is how we created the values for minor and the major categories. Now we will see how to create location related information. Click on manage fixed asset key flex field. Click on go to task. Click on blind search. Click on asset location flex field. Now here click on manage structure instance. Click on blind search. Click on edit icon. So these are the value set code. Only for practice purpose, I'm selecting one of the value set code. Say I'm selecting this is FA state county or FA city. I'm taking FA country. Copy it. Go back to our previous task. Click on go to task option. Paste the information that we have copied. Now click on search. Click on manage values. Click on blind search. Here you can see these are the criteria that are already created for to attract the asset on the location basis. So if you want to add any of the other location that you want to track your asset, then click on add icon. Value must be in uppercase. Now click on save and close. This is how you can add the country as per your requirement on which you want to track your asset. You can create the information here. So, but you have to keep in mind that only the category flex field, location flex field and asset key flex field that are mentioned in the system control can be select at the time of creation of fixed assets. So you have to make the changes in those flex fields only. So this was all about the setup and the configurations that are required for the fixed asset. Thank you so much for watching.